In this video, we show you the process of restoring a deck using the Hi-Tech Orbital Sander. As you can see, the old coating has started to flake and peel from exposure to the sun, wind and rain. Our goal, a smooth and scratch-free finish to ensure the new coating adheres properly and lasts. For this project, we chose the Hi-Tech Orbital Sander because it's easy to use for all experience levels and makes it easy to achieve great results. We're also using the Hi-Tech HT5 Edge Sander and Vacuum for the perimeter and kick panels, a total game changer when it comes to restoring decks, especially when you have guardrails, balustrades or staircases. You can hire the full range of Hi-Tech floor sanders for your next project from your local hire company. Prior to sanding, make sure you have the appropriate safety gear ready. This particular deck has some minor unevenness and we're relying on the Orbital Sander's red pad to adapt to the deck surface. This means we'll still get an amazing result without the need for a more aggressive floor sander. With the old coating removed using 60 grit abrasive, we completed a quick pass with 80 and then 120 grit to ensure a smooth finish before coating. Unlike other sanders, the Orbital's action reduces the chance of leaving behind scratches while still sanding efficiently. Following a thorough cleanup, the first coating was applied and allowed to dry. Once dry, a second coat was applied. We're really looking forward to seeing this deck with the masking tape removed and the outdoor furniture in place. A full guide on how to install abrasives and dust bags is linked in the description below.